Imagine making money by selling your time. Let me explain. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Beacons video. It's your boy Ivan here with another tutorial. And today we're gonna go over how to sell and create appointments on your Beacons store. As a creator, it is key to have multiple sources of revenue. Some people have brand deals, some sell digital products, some host a membership or course. Funny enough, Beacons can help you do all of this. But selling appointments can actually be an amazing source of revenue because you're selling your time. Not only that, but you're also offering a personalized service to your fans, which can lead to higher satisfaction and building relationships with your viewers. We offer a Google Calendar integration so you can keep track of all your appointments so you don't miss a meeting. It's so easy to get started and manage. Let me show you how. First thing you want to get out of the way is to make sure a Google Calendar is connected to Beacons. Head to the Store app on the left-hand navigation and go to the last tab called Settings. Scroll all the way down and you'll see the Google Calendar Connect button. Go ahead and press that Connect button. Follow the setup prompts and boom, you'll be connected. Now head back to the My Products tab and here we'll make the actual appointment product. Click on New Product on the right hand side and choose Appointments. You'll be sent into our product builder where you can design the layouts, the colors and fonts, and on the right hand side you can adjust the title, the price, the description, and pictures or videos. Here's the important part. Click on Availability and you'll get this pop-up where it'll ask you how to check for conflicts. If you have multiple Google Calendars, like a personal and or a work one, you can check them off here. If you want to learn how to add multiple Google Calendars, check out this video up here. Click on your calendar or calendars and hit Add. You can customize how long each session can go for, as well as how far in the future your audience can schedule appointments to, as well as how close they can schedule. Click here to add or change calendars, as well as what calendar the appointments will display on. In the Schedule tab, you can refine the hours of time and days your fans can schedule between, as well as a time zone below. Go into the next tab over called Checkout, and you can customize how your audience will buy from you. Change the success screen, as well as how the email receipt will look. Press Publish, and that's it. Remember, add it to your link in bio or website and promote it on your socials, or use our AI email generator to curate an email for you. If you want to try this out for yourself, click the link in the description and sign up for Beacons for free. And while you're at it, check out our other apps. Make sure to check out other videos and subscribe to our YouTube. Give us a follow on our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and don't forget to join our Discord. Alright y'all, see you next time.